She loves it. Here. Let's walk towards it.
Oh, Lord. What do you think, Livy?
She's waving at it. I don't know.
She's trying to capture it, I think. We gotta go get Miles.
Yeah.
Livy, is that all you're gonna do? Try to capture it? She's trying to get its hand.
She tried to. Someone got it out of the box. She's trying to get it.
Babe.
Oh. I'm wet. This is not fun. What's going on?
Hi.
Cool better.
Did get you? Oh,
Is she laughing or is she just doing
hi.
what the hell's going on? Look.
She's just smiling
Every
a
once in
little
while,
bit.
A little water splashes on her.
Hey, Liv.
So you're hogging the
Hi. Hi. Go.
She loves it. That's so funny. Hey, Coach, come play with me.
So gentle. Well, that thing's pretty cool. Grandma did a good job. It's a shame it's not closer to the peach tree. Give it a little water. Wow, water pillar's nuts. Say bye-bye.
Yuck. Yuck.
Livy. Livy, look at Mommy. You say bye-bye?